If your voice hurts, you gotta sing backwards. Believe me. Wait, what? It's simple. Instead of pushing your voice out, inhale the sound. Yeah, and trust me, this is a game changer. A little background, I used to push my voice really, really hard, and on top of that, I did all of this. Yeah. Result? Ouch. But here's the thing, I learned from the pain, believe it or not. We need to understand that singing is not about pushing the voice, the notes out. It's all in the mind. It's not about brute force. No. So let me show you. Inhale deeply and sing a note while inhaling. Then, in that same coordination, we're gonna sing that note out. Once this is actually very easy, try to do a melody. There's a fire, there's a fire, mom, there's a fire. Do you feel the difference? There's no push. Your mind is the maestro. Practice this coordination, master this coordination, and your voice, your vocal cords are always going to be relaxed. Of course, there's many more things that you need to work on, like your breath support. It's very important. You need to understand and master that as well. Try this, tell me if it works, share it, tag me whatever you want to do with this, and let's make singing pain-free. Cheers to everyone. Have a good one.